One of the easiest and most popular way to cook mushrooms in Italy is sautéed mushrooms. In Italy we call them funghi trifolati, and trifolati indicates two things. One, that the mushrooms are cut into thin slices, like you will do for truffles, and two, that they are cooked simply with oil, garlic and parsley. This is a very easy recipe that requires only few ingredients, and like always, the full list is in description. My mom prepares funghi trifolati nearly every week for Sunday lunch, and she normally uses the white button mushrooms, but I personally like more the brown cremini, because they have a more hearty flavor. But you know, they are the same mushroom at the end of the day, so choose the one you like the most. One step very important in the preparation of funghi trifolati is to make sure that our mushrooms are properly clean from ground and dust. I like to wash them and I use a toothbrush to remove all the dirt, in this way. But I know that some people will argue that in this way the mushroom will absorb water. Well, I don't care, I want my mushroom clean. My mom, on the other side, she will peel each mushroom cup, and here I'm showing you how she does. This takes so long, so I stick with my washing method, but feel free to pick the cleaning method you prefer. Look how dirty is this water. Okay, I give another fast wash to make sure that there is no dirt. Once our half kilo or 1 pound of mushrooms are clean, we can start chopping them in thin slices, like those. I know what several of you are thinking now. Why just not use the pre-sliced mushrooms? Well, we need our slices to be roughly 1.52 millimeters or 1/16 of an inch, while the store-bought pre-sliced mushrooms are thicker. So for the best results, I suggest that you slice your own mushrooms. Once we are done slicing all the mushroom, we can also peel 2 garlic cloves and gently press them with the blade of a knife. By pressing it, the garlic will release better its aroma when we cook it. We are now ready to start cooking our mushrooms. In a pan on a medium heat, we will add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and the garlic cloves. I like to add also half teaspoon of chili flakes, but this is completely optional. When I see that the garlic starts frying, I also add the mushrooms. I give a good stir and I cover the pan. It is important to cover the pan to allow the mushrooms to release their water without getting burned. After 5 minutes, you will notice that the mushrooms shrunk a lot and they also release their water. We will now remove the lids and reduce a bit the heat, and we will keep cooking in this way until all the water evaporates. In the meantime, we can chop an handful of parsley. When nearly all the water is evaporated, your mushroom should look like those. Now we can remove the garlic cloves. Then we will add a pinch of salt and some chopped parsley. If you didn't add the chili, you can also add a pinch of pepper. We give a good stir and cook for some extra minutes. Okay, my mushrooms are ready. I add some fresh parsley and I'm ready to serve them. You can use funghi trifolati as a side dish or in pasta dishes, or you can add them to your favorite sandwich. Buon appetito! I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If yes, don't forget to leave me a like. Thank you for watching my video and see you soon!